Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhole Pallavi and our today's Viva topic name is final keyword in Java. There is a 48 keyword present in the Java, one of them final keyword. So what are the use of final keyword and what is mean by final keyword? So firstly we will see the what is mean by final keyword. Final keyword means their value is a constant, we cannot change the value of final. Suppose final keyword is restrict to class, variable or method. If we use the final keyword with the variable, then that variable value cannot be changed in whole program. And suppose the value of integer a is equal to 15, then the 50 value keep as it is, hold the program. We cannot change the value of a is equal to 15. If we try to change the value of final variable, then it gives the error, compilation error. Then we use the final keyword with the method. Suppose we use final keyword with the method, then that method cannot be override by any method. And then we use the final keyword with the class, then that class cannot be extend or inherited by other class, or other class cannot be extend that final class. We will see the implementation of Java keyword. There are three main type or three type which we use the mostly final keyword. Then we use the keyword with the method, variable or class. uh, why we use the final keyword with the help of, with the method? Because this method to prevent the inherited. And we use the final keyword with the class, then to it prevents the extended or inherited it. Java final keyword is used also used for keep a string is immutable. Because string is immutable because its value cannot be changed. Its final keyword also help to keep a string is immutable, because if we create a string is a final, then that string cannot be replaced by other string, or it cannot be create object of other string. Then there are main difference of final keyword or static keyword. Static keyword is applicable for static nested class and block class methods. And final keyword is applicable for method, class or variable. And then static keyword we reinitialize the variable, and with the final keyword we cannot reinitialize the variable because our variable is a constant. Then static, in that static keyword we not compulsory to initialize the variable at the time of declaration, but in that final keyword we have to compulsory initialize the variable at the time of declaration. And then static keyword access the static data members, but in that final keyword they cannot access the variable or its variable or method and class its final. So final keyword is used for security, because we use the final keyword, then our data who cannot copy our data is keep remain as it is. That's all use of final keyword in Java. That's all about final keyword in Java. Thank you so much.